are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.